what it is. New iPhone MagSafe charger is secretly a card holder stand combo. You love it, Will, when something is multifunctional. That's what you love.
I don't mind it.
It can do this, it can do that.
Yeah.
You've been taking magnetic rings and sticking them places and wallets, and I seen you do it, Will.
I like magnets, too.
So we have a company here called ESR. They make cases, very popular case maker. They make some of the best iPhone accessories out there. And they have Halo Lock, which is like their MagSafe thing, and a battery back that locks onto there. And this new product here gives you 5,000 milliamp hours on the battery pack. But then it's also a wallet, which is in there. Hold on to your stuff. So now your wallet can charge your stuff up, $59. And here's the kicker. It's going to give you a nice little stand as well in order to prop your thing up. So it's kind of like what you got going on with the external wallet.
Okay.
Because you're doing the wallet, aren't you?
I am, yeah. It holds 2 cards.
Are you still doing that?
Yeah, it's right here.
You're doing the wallet on the phone. So, you know what? Just show that. Well, pop your cards off. I don't know if there's any details on there. But just show off kind of what you did there, because you took a later case and then you put a magnetic ring. Maybe this company ESR even makes that ring.
And then this is a wallet from Exter.
Maybe we should make that ring and just sell it on later case, because it's a pretty simple design.
Yeah.
It keeps the case really thin. Some of these extremely thin cases embed the magnet in there, but I've had issues in the past where I get a little rattle where you can kind of, I don't know, you have the weight of the ring, and then obviously it's going through the Kevlar, so the strength of it varies.
Right.
So what you're doing is actually maybe a better solution. If you want the magnetic aspect, you put it right on the outside, and then you get maximum hold strength.
Yeah.
For your accessories, including in this case a magnetic wallet, which you've got going on a Pixel device.
Yeah, it's a Pixel, and I think I like this design because it's similar to the iPhone MagSafe kind of ring
shape, yeah,
where it's not circular, where like it doesn't like spin, because it has one little extra like magnet piece.
I think maybe ESR made that, or you bought it on Amazon, right?
I think I might have got it from ESR. I'm not too sure.
Yeah. Anyway, so there's a lot.
Cheap.
Yeah, there's a lot of companies making this. It's an interesting solution. Just put the magnet right on the outside. But anyways, in this case, here you have a combo pack, which gives you the wallet, the battery, and it also works as a kickstand for when you're in. I mean, that looks like a nice cafe. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind being in there. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.